everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to craft the penguin stove in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the penguin stove crafting recipe. You can unlock this recipe after completing the Aurora Banquet quest from the NPC Massimo. And sorry I can't show the quest footage because I have already completed it and it didn't record it. But don't worry, the quest is super easy. You just need to cook a few dishes and follow the in-game guide. And then next, just go to your workbench like this, and then just tap on penguin stove recipe, this one. Make sure all the required materials are complete, and then just tap on craft like this. Just tap on craft and wait a moment, and okay, that's it. Your penguin stove is ready. You can now use this stove to cook special winter frost food. And okay, maybe that's it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.